Hello, and welcome to this sound awareness meditation. Go ahead and sit comfortably or lie down if you prefer, and keep your sound at a low volume so that you can hear the sounds around you. Alternatively, you can use your earbuds to listen to the nature sounds in this video. Close your eyes and begin to breathe deeply. You're going to take 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Make your exhales longer than your inhales. Inhale deeply. Exhale long and fully. One more time. Deep inhale. And exhale, long exhale. Just breathe normally. And I want you to listen to the sounds around you. Listen to the sounds, but don't attach to them. And by that I mean, don't allow your mind to continue to make connections to that sound. Just simply listen and be. Let it be. When a sound is gone, just let it go. Focus on the next sound. Listen to the birds. Maybe there's a car or an engine rumbling softly in the background. Listen for immediate sounds that are close to you. People talking outside, kids playing. Listen and let it go. Now focus on sounds that are not immediately in your vicinity, but that are farther away. A low rumble, a faraway motorcycle perhaps. And keep expanding your awareness to even farther away sounds. Listen. Listen to the world going on and moving around you as you sit in stillness. I will leave you alone now for a few minutes to focus on the sounds around you. Be the stillness. Be here right now. Be the sounds. And if you notice thoughts entering your headspace, simply watch them like observing a movie on a screen, and then release them and get back to your main focus on the sounds around you. Let your breath be super slow. Let your exhales be really long. Nothing else matters right now except the stillness and the sounds around you. Listen, don't attach. And if thoughts interrupt, watch them and then let them go. Come back to the sounds. Are there any new sounds around you? Now I want you to bring your focus back to your breath. Take one big inhale and an even longer exhale. Another big inhale. Hold it at the top of your lungs for just a second. And exhale, long exhale. One more time, expand your lungs, grow into your space. Hold it. And long, slow exhale out. I hope you have enjoyed my sound awareness meditation. If you did, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel so you can get more videos like this. May your life be full of love and light always. Namaste.